Hello everyone, myself Lakshmi K, student of Computer Science Department at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I'll be discussing on the topic hard copy devices for the subject Computer Graphics and Fundamentals of Image Processing. These are the topics discussed in the video. A hard copy is a printed copy of an information from a computer. Sometimes it is refers to a printer, so it is called a hard copy because it exists as a physical object. A hard copy is a tangible output that is usually printed. The principal examples are printouts, whether text on graphics, form printers, and also films including microfilms and microfiche is also considered as an hard copy output. It is an electromagnetic device which accepts data from a computer and translates them into forms that is understood by the users. Output devices are usually printers and plotters. Printers. In computing, a printer is a peripheral machine which makes a durable representation of graphics or text, usually on paper. Plotters. A plotter is a machine that produces vector graphics drawings. Plotter draws lines on papers using a pen or in some applications use a knife to cut material like vinyl or leather. Here is a pictorial representation of the hard copy output devices. Printers. The printer is the most important output device which is used to print data on a paper. A printer is an important accessory for any computing system, especially for graphics systems. This is because most of the graphics created using computer graphics have their ultimate utilization in printed form. Printers are of two types, impact and non-impact printers. There are several major printer technologies available. These technologies can be broken down into two main categories with several types in each. Impact printers involve mechanical components for conducting printing, while in non-impact printers, no mechanical moving components are used. Impact printers. It is a type of an printer that works by direct contact with an ink ribbon with a paper. These printers are typically loud but remain in use today because of their unique ability to function with multiple forms. An impact printer has mechanism resembling to those of a typewriter. These printers have a mechanism whereby formed character faces are pressed against an inked ribbon onto the paper in order to create an image. Examples: dot matrix and line matrix. Non-impact printers. It is a type of printer that does not hit or impact a ribbon to the printer. They use laser, xerographic, electrostatic, chemical, and inkjet technologies. Non-impact printers are generally much quieter. They are less likely to need maintenance or repairs than earlier impact printers. These printers do not touch the paper but rather use laser techniques, ink sprays, xerographic process, and electrostatic methods to produce the image on the paper. Examples: laser printers, inkjet printers, electrostatic printers. Dot matrix. In the market, one of the most popular printer is the dot matrix printer. These printers are popular because of their case of printing and economical price. Each character is in the form of patterns of dots and the head consists of a matrix of a pin of size. Oldest printing technology, one character at a time by using a fixed number of pins. These printers are bidirectional and slow in speed. Daisy wheel printers. It is called a daisy wheel because the print mechanism looks like daisy. At the end of each petal is a fully formed character that produces a solid line print. These printers are generally used for word processing. Line printers. It is an impact printer and is also known as bar printer. It prints one line of text at a time. They can print 30 to 300 lines per minute. Line printers print the full width of the page one line at a time instead of a print head using back end force across the paper. Inkjet printers. These printers are non-impact character printers based on a new technology. They print characters by spraying a small drops of ink onto the paper. Inkjet printers produce high quality output with presentable features. They make less noise because no harming is done, and they have many styles of printing models available. Some models of inkjet printers can produce multiple copies of printing also. The ink in the cartridge of the printers is in the liquid form. They have nozzles from which the ink is sprayed onto the paper and it gets printed. Laser printers. These are non-impact printers that use laser lights to produce the dots needed to form the characters to be printed on the page. The laser printer prints very fast and produces high quality outputs, but this type of printers is too costly. This type of printer makes use of a focused beam of light to transfer text and images onto the page. Plotters. A plotter is a special output device used to produce hard copies of large graphics and designs on a paper, such as contributed maps and engineering drawings. The plotter is either a peripheral component that you add to your computer system with its own internal processor. It is suitable for applications like architectural plan of the building, CAD applications like the design of mechanical components of a aircraft, and many other engineering applications. Drum plotter. It consists of a drum. The paper on which the design is made is kept on the drum. The drum can rotate in both directions. Plotters comprised of one or more pens and a pen holder. The holders are mounted perpendicularly to the drum surface. The pens are kept in the holder, which can move left to the right as well as the right to the left. The graph plotting program controls the movements of the pens and the drums. Flatbed plotter. It is used to draw complex designs and graphics. The flatbed plotter can be kept over the table. The platter consists of pen and holder. The pen can draw characters of various sizes. There can be one or more pens and a pen holding mechanism. Each pen has ink of different color. Different colors helps to produce the multicolor design of the document. A hard copy refers to the tangible output that is usually printed. It exists as a physical object. These devices accept data from the computer and translate into forms understood by the users. The primary hard copy output devices are printers and plotters. Printers are crucial for graphics systems because most graphics creating using computers graphics find the ultimate utilization in printed form. Printers can be classified into two categories: impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers are robust but noisy due to the mechanical impact. They work by direct contact with the ink ribbon against the paper. Non-impact printers do not physically strike the paper. They use technologies like laser, inkjet, electrostatic, and chemical process. Thank you.